Hi, welcome back to Fruitcake Filming. Today we're at the Rainforest Zoo. Some ornaments.
See his long tail?
Yeah.
Stretch. Okay. Sweet.
Oh, he's a huge snake. He's looking real. Ew, what's that?
200 pounds.
It's the best.
What's in this thing?
At least it's 7
Wait, what is it? Hannah, is it pretty?
She's known as the Jesus lizard.
Aww.
Well, he is kind of cute.
There's a little monkey? Yeah. Oh, there is a tiny little monkey. What is he doing? Oh, there's another one.
They get the water from insects to eat.
It's a snake.
It's a California king snake.
Ew.
Oh, look, leopard geckos. Wow. Tree frogs?
You see him?
No.
It was eating.
It's a lizard.
Right here?
Yep.
Here. What a hat.
The toad?
Yes.
Oh wow, it looks flat as a rock.
It's camouflage. It's
It's back there.
trying to find.
Hi.
A giant gecko.
Aww. Aww. I'm a chameleon.
Now moved up.
Its tail.
Did you lose it?
It's pretty. The two snakes.
Yeah. One right there, one right there.
Good morning. Look at this one.
Hi.
The goats here. You're not laughing.
Big.
It's a bird.
It's Sydney.
Oh, it might be a snake. Oh, another snake.
What is this?
They're sleeping. No one's eating.
It's sticky. What's in here? I see it's sticky.
There's the boo-boo. Anaya, there's the boo-boo. These are the only monkeys alive.
They're sleeping. He's got his eyes open now.
His face is in the ink.
Sticking. It
Aww.
was sticking.
Hans McCall. South America. Baby Hans.
Oh.
Charles baby.
Oh no.
He just put himself in. Oh, he walks like you.
Oh
The roach escaped.
I don't know. The yellow water is too big. They get up to 8 foot. Average.
So there's snakes up there. Hey, hamster. The bigoo.
Look at all of them. What? It's baby. Wow, support. That's huge.
And it's a crocodile monster.
It's actually a
Lizard?
yeah. Oh, imagine holding that thing.
What are those things? Chinchillas. Yeah.
Be a little.
Cute, doodle. Did you see these? Where are they from?
Eat snakes, lizards, mammals, and birds.
What is it? Oh, it's what is it?
What was
It's a macaw. Oh, is it too loud? Oh, it came out to say hello.
Hello?
Aww.
South America. Take it.
Is it a bird?
Yeah. Okay.
Nuh-uh.
Did you chew that bamboo? You did.
Aww.
It says when it's threatened, it'll flick his tongue. He's got him sick. Hey, dude, they're feeding the little monkeys.
Sea cricket. Sea cricket.
I didn't know.
Oh, but this way first.
Guinea pigs. Ew, she's holding this thing. Oh, it's adorable.
Who's next?
Nope. Nope.
Anybody?
Okay.
Hey, come here. What is it?
Guinea pig. Do you like it? Oh wow. I don't know. Look at the eyes.
Kind of like a hellbender.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
It's kind of cool.
I thought, yeah, I was just like a frog. Cute. Where's Maya?
Look at all these.
What is that?
Oh.
It's showing me.
He's like, look at me.
Aww. He's eating. Let's see. He's drinking.
Oh. I think he's eating or drinking.
Porcupines and lovebirds. The porcupine.
What? I thought they were small. Yeah, I don't like those.
Some are big and some are small.
What is he doing?
Oh.
and wants a hug. Aww.
Look at you.
Right there.
Porcupines. Oh, yep. From Africa.
Oh, look at that.
Yes.
Oh, I didn't know lovebirds were from Africa. They are.
You didn't?
Only they don't live in water.
Look how big that thing is. Aww.
Get me down the stream.
Oh, I love you. Hi. Hello. Row, row, row your boat. Hi. Can you sing? Can you sing? Hi.
What are you doing?
Hi. What are you doing? You want Polly one cracker?
I probably need a cracker. Why?
Are you the friendly of the bunch?
Hello.
Hello.
What are you doing?
Hi.
What are you doing?
Hello.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Hi. Hi. Aww.
You raised it. Oh, you sing.
Hi. Hello.
We're making it. Not just a table. Hey, look at me.
You can August.
Actually, they can't. Yeah, they also.
Oh, they're cute.
Is it twinkle?
Ecuador, huh?
Yeah.
It's a baby mouse.
This way. That way. Forward. Twinkle, twinkle.
Aww.
Hello. Hello.
Aww. Oh, look how big that girl is. Wow.
Hey. Hi, little big guy.
Aw,
Big guy.
that's huge.
Oh, they're creepy.
Aww. Look how big he is. Hi. Look how he goes. Big goat doodle. Aww.
What's your food? Nice. Nasty.
You want some? Oh my god. Oh. Put out your hand like that.
Two?
It's okay, it's okay.
No. Me too.
They're creepy. What? Want some? Oh, look at all of them. Hi. Oh my goodness. There's an emu? Oh my goodness, you want some? Ah. It's a big emu.
Oh, hot. I want some. There goes the.
It's an emu, actually.
Hi.
Eat this one.
Hi, ostrich. It's an emu.
Feeding goats. Want some?
Oh my goodness.
Do you want some? No. Oh, there's a two-touch.
Where?
I don't know.
Did you like the goats?
I don't know.
Aww. Or Harley has any horns. Aww. Look how pretty.
Yeah, cute.
Oh, wait, oh.
A golden pheasant.
Oh, look at that bird.
Oh, it's a pheasant.
A blue-eared pheasant.
Pretty bird. Aww. That's a sound. Now, are you having fun?
Uh-oh.
Oh, wow.
That
It's raining.
Oh, he's swinging.
Yeah, okay. For us now. Welcome back to the boy.
Oh, that's one on.
That was fast. It was.
Oh, yeah. Oh. Oh.
No, you're not coming back in here.
Wait.
You can't go this way. You can go that way. Right, you have to push.
Look at these snakes. Oh. There you go.
Mine is filled and mine's.
Oh, look at that. 15. Oh, here's cup.
Ow.
Don't leave him.
We found.
Yes.
Oh, look, it's a bee.
Well, I like this one.
You like a bat?
Yeah.
Poor, what do you want? Stuffed animal? Let's see how much the snakes are.
What is this?
Doctor set. Turn, Zipporah.
I stick picking.
Puppy, tiger, panda. You want one of those?
This one.
Dolphins. Dolphins.
Yeah, I got this one. It's a scorpion. And it glows inside. Zipporah, what did you get?
This, but I want to change.
Did you want?
I got this one. It's only $14.
So, what do you want?
I'm looking for something.
Still looking. Hey, there's puzzles. Look, there's some puzzles. Ooh, look at all these. You want this? Nope. Still looking. Hey, there's dinosaurs. You like dinosaurs? Let's go over here. Hey, look at this, Zipporah.
I don't know what is this.
Look, you do this. Wait.
You be a dinosaur?
Yeah? You want this?
I can't hug
So
you.
she might want a dinosaur mask. I don't know. That one? You okay?
Yeah.
That's a fanboys. Wanna open it again? Thank you for watching. So Zipporah got this mermaid, and I got a scorpion, real life.
Let's see. He says seaweed. You're more. Thank you for watching. Mermaid.
Whatever they're called. Those water bugs.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel and like. Bye.